maybe it's this one. Maybe not.
Give me a jack. I want to go there.
Woo! There we go. Come on! Here we go, building up speed. Oh god, has to stop for the hairpin. We're humming now.
Go on, tug.
You're now dick deep in it.
Fuck you, I know. Where do I go? Where the fuck does Shay go? Oi, just dive for land. Just dive for land. You're already fucked anyway. Don't sit down and fuck.
Look at the right side.
Just crawl out.
Fuck! No, you're going deeper.
Alright, you. Mate, do you have to start this in the most awkward way possible? You look like a fucking autistic. Bro, what the fuck are we doing with it now? Mate, I'll hold your expansion chamber. What the fuck are we doing with it now?
I don't know, you said lift.
Oh, can I just push it backwards? Put it him. Put a fucking... Alright, we're getting somewhere. Yeah, into the deep shit.
Yeah.
Right.
But it's time I faded, sick of taking that shit day to day to day to day. I got friends that still ain't paid to see me, used to have to pay to play. Pay my dues, came up with some dues in this. Stayed up on my grind and now I look around like who's in this. I don't see no one but us, look at me, I'm one on one. All my haters doubled up, but I don't get two motherfucks. You just talk your stuff, I just think you do too much. You want attention, you won't get that shit from us. Stay out my mentions if you with that counterfeit. Y'all just play too much, I ain't with that drama shit. You be acting extra ever since I met you. Always on your bullshit, you ain't nothing special. I don't need no yes man, you got no investment. You just act so extra, you be acting extra. Who you fooling? Yeah, rolling, 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 rolling. Yeah, off the brown, don't I know it? Yeah, I can't deal with people sober. Unless you bringing girls, you cannot come over. I get sick of entertaining. I just wanna make the music. People telling me I need them. They don't never go and prove it. I be giving people opportunity, they don't never go and use it. I be setting people up, all I ever hear back is excuses. I ain't never need them anyway. Punchlines, I'm the heavyweight. Nothing you say ever resonated. If you want to hit, then I'm designated. I can do this shit with my eyes closed like I'm meditating. Boy, I'm detonated. About to blow up on you with the bar way high, but I'm steady doing pull-ups on it. Y'all got too many people in your your sessions. If I ain't never seen you do nothing, I don't need the suggestions. I've been hella protected, lay low, learn lessons. I don't count on nothing but my blessings. Y'all just so extra ever since I met you. Always on your bullshit, you ain't nothing special. I don't need no yes, man, you got no investment. You just act so extra, you be acting extra. Extra ever since I met you. Always on your bullshit, you ain't nothing special. I don't need no yes, man, you got no investment. You just act so extra, you be acting extra. Who you fooling? Just another late night.